To draw on your photos or pictures on the Poco F8 Ultra, you have to start by opening the gallery. Now just go for the photo that you want to edit. Let's go for this one. Click on this icon over here and now go to the markup. Now you can pick this pencil, so I will go for example with this one. And when you click on it one more time, you can change the size of this one and also the color. So now we have to click outside and we can start drawing on this photo. Just like this. And now of course you can still change it, so you can change the color, size, click outside to apply this, and you can just keep drawing. When you click on this button, you can see how it looks before you start drawing, and also you can revert those changes from the latest one by clicking here, but you can also take it back. If you want to remove something, here you have to just select this one and you can just do this manually. And now if you like it, you can apply those changes by clicking on the save button in the right upper corner.